time, we're going to use a graded color scale. Very similar colors, green being unrealized gain, red being unrealized loss, and then yellow being somewhere in the middle or just break even. And again, I'm going to change the default rules. I'm going to say if I have a 5,000 or greater loss, give me red. If I have a 5,000 or greater gain, give me green. And anywhere in between, it's going to be yellowish green or a yellowish red, depending whether I have an unrealized gain or a unrealized loss. Now, I'm just going to play around with the numbers so you can see that this can be fairly automated if you have numbers that are changing. So if I start playing around with the fair market values here, just so you can see the color scale, as I start changing the numbers, you'll see the colors start changing as well. The powerful thing with conditional formatting is it can be almost automated if you have data that's being refreshed. Let's say you have a pivot table. As that data is being refreshed, you can then visually see what's happening to those numbers based upon the rules that you have put in your conditional formatting. All right, that's conditional formatting. 3 easy examples on how you can use conditional formatting. You can run wild with conditional formatting. There is a lot of options and flexibility.